Next task is count good nodes in binary tree. It is asked by Microsoft in the last 6 months, and also asked by Google, Meta, and Amazon. So these tasks ask to find number of good nodes in the past in the tree. Good node is the node is good if in the past from root to x there are no nodes with a value greater than x. So for instance, 3 is root and it is considered as a good node. Root node is always good node. And let's see, 4 is also good because from root to 4, there no element is greater than 4. But 1 is not good one because we have greater element as a parent. We need to find the number of good nodes. So for that, I'm going to use, again, create some helper function. I'm calling it DFS. It accepts root. And for this one, we need to track the maximum value so far. For instance, at 5, the maximum value so far is going to be 4. But for 4, it's going to be 3. And this value is passed as a so far. And this function returns integer. If root is not root, we just return 0. Otherwise, we need to check that if the current node is a good node. If, let's call it again node, if node.value is greater than the max so far. In that case, we have one good node, but we still don't know how many good nodes we have as a child of this current node. For that, we are going to create some variable, which is count. And if current node is good node, we add 1. Then we need to start DFS again with node.left max so far. We need to modify this one. It's going to be a maximum or node. And we pass max so far. To right and left. And by the end of the function, we just return a count. And we just return DFS with root and then we need a float negative infinity. So it's correct, and the number of nodes in the binary tree is in the range of 10 to the 5. Each node, its value is between these ones, so yeah, it works. And the time complexity of this solution is O of linear n, because we iterate over this tree, and space is also space is also linear because again we're calling DFS, and it's stored in the stack. N is the size of the nodes, number of nodes. Submit.